Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you everything that I did for Eva Jo's tea party, how I made certain things. Right now I'm working on the castle backdrop that I used for the cake table, and I just used one of the boards from the Dollar Tree with an X-OXO knife, and I was able to trace it out, and then I cut it out, and then it is one of those boards, the poster boards that have the 3 sections. So on the edges you can pull it in and it helps it to stand up. That worked really well. You can see it here, and I loved how it turned out. And here is Eva Jo helping me paint these little centerpieces. This was a fun craft that she got to help me with, and she really loved it, and she actually did a really good job. And here I am struggling to keep the castle up. I got this backdrop off of Amazon. I'll leave the link below. I love the way that it looked up against this window. It just really enhanced the castle, and it was a big hit at the party with the little girls. I have this chalkboard right when you walk into the house, and for every event that we have, I love to decorate it and give it a little something to go with the theme. So here you can see me creating just a little sign for Eva Jo's party, and this is also where I like to decorate this whole space so that people can take pictures here, since there is a bench for them to sit on. What is that you're drawing? A sister fish?
Yeah.
That is she's so beautiful.
Honeybee. Oh, here, honeybee.
And here we are just getting ready to set up the cake table. We were gonna put it in front of this little door so that none of the girls would go in there. And this little table that I got off Amazon actually ended up being perfect too. I will be leaving links below to everything that I have. These table runners, the tablecloth, the plates, the cups, basically everything. This was like an Amazon party, but I can show you the exact links this time so that you can go and find them for yourself. But those centerpieces I actually did get from the Dollar Tree, so I will try to group them up below so that you can know exactly what came from where. Now I'm just putting together the little goodie gift bags for Eva Jo's friends, and I also got all this stuff on Amazon, surprise, surprise, aside from the things that my mother-in-law provided, and she also made some really cute stickers and things that I'll show y'all, but I won't have links to them, unfortunately. These little sandwiches turned out so cute, so I will also have the link below for this crown cookie cutter that I used. We also had our yard carded by Card My Yard, and this was so cute. Eva Jo loved it, and it was such great prices. So if you have a Card My Yard in your area, I highly recommend them. It was such a good surprise for her, and they had so many graphics and colors to pick from, and even though she can't read, the graphics were still as tall as her, like all the Disney ones, so we loved it. Here's a better look at the cookies that we had made for her with her favorite princesses. This was done by a local lady in our area, so I will add her Facebook page below. It's Jackson Sweets, and you can check her out there. Thank you so much for watching. That is it for today. Let me know if you have any questions below, or if there's anything specific that you want to know about, or any links that I missed, and I will see you on my next video.